You have a very good internet speed, but when it comes to downloading, it's really very slow. If this is the case, we will be doing only two simple steps and the downloading in browser Edge will be way faster than earlier. So let's get started. So here we just need to open the Microsoft Edge browser. Once it is opened, type edge colon // flags. I'll just maximize it. So once you have typed it, hit enter. And here there is a search bar where we can search flags. So here we just need to type parallel downloading. And the result will come. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed in Mac, in Windows, Linux, or Android phone. So by default, it will be in default, and here we just need to click on enable. And once this is done, bottom right corner, you just need to click on restart. And once this is done, I'll just maximize. And at the top right corner, we have this three dots. And once you click on that, we need to go to settings. And here in the left hand side, we need to look for system and performance. Now here, continue running in background extension and app when Microsoft Edge is closed. This should be turned off. And use hardware acceleration when available should be turned on. And that's it. Once you've done that, just close it and reopen Edge browser and try to download anything which you want, and let me know if there is a difference in your downloading speed. I'll be glad if you mention that in the comments, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.